So as a filmmaker, editing videos is what I do, and it takes a very long time to do it. And I sit down for hours upon hours doing video editing sessions, and that's very hard on the body. So I need an office chair, which is one of the most key points to prevent body fatigue and everything else in between. And I wanted a new captain's chair. So I have the Hbada E3 ergonomic chair here. This premium office chair fits my needs as a captain. So let's talk more about it. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So before I show you the unboxing experience that I've had with this chair, which was pretty easy to do, by the way, one thing that I want to share with you guys is that all the parts are very premium and is very solid. Now, this chair comes with all the parts and tools you need to put it together. And it took me about 20 to 30 minutes to put it together in 10 easy steps. But I can tell you right now, this is one of my favorite chairs. So let's go and talk about the unboxing experience. So let's go. So let's put this chair together in 10 easy steps. First, insert the legs into the center axis of the base. Next, insert the wheels into the assembly holes. Next, insert the cylinder into the base. Next, insert the footrest onto the seat cushion with the screws. Next, install the tilt mechanism to the cushion. Next, insert the screws to the armrests. Next, install the armrest into the armrest bracket. Next, go ahead on and insert the chair into the tilt mechanism. And lastly, install the headrest, and boom, you are done. That's what I'm talking about. 10 easy steps. So let's talk a little more about Hbada. So Hbada was established in 2008. It is a professional health home brand driven by technology and innovation to provide global users with a professional and healthy ergonomical design of products and solutions to improve the state of physical sub-health, whether that is going to be in the home, life, or the office. Not only this chair is stylish, but it helps with solving discomfort, such as with lumbar support. It helps the lower back. The armrest, which goes up and down and back and front to get the perfect balance for your arm. So you're able to adjust the seat for lift and recline to give you that great posture, which relieves the stress on the back. Now the seat can be adjusted back and forward, up and down for that total balance for the body. And lastly, the footrest functionality, which is my favorite, that gives you full comfortability for your foot, which is really nice. So these are some of the features here of this awesome chair. So here's my conclusion. The Hbada E3 ergonomic chair serves a unique purpose to fix discomfort when sitting for long periods of time. Look, if y'all guys been watching my live streams and everything, you notice that my daughter been sitting in this chair. She absolutely love it. But I want to take a moment. I want to let everybody know, go to a big screen here, that Erica got a new chair, right?
Yes, I do.
And
It's so bouncy, guys.
I got her new chair, and she got the gold mic. So now she is all over it. Also, it's high in material, right? The material here allows for very good airflow throughout the chair. Plus, I got the gray color. It's very stylish. A true captain's chair. I really do like it. For all the pricing and availability, I will leave links down in the description below. And I want to give a huge thanks to Hbada for sending me out this chair for review. I really do like it. Now this fits a true captain. This right here is a true captain's chair. One of the things that I really do like about this chair, that it solves the problem with lower back, shoulder, and neck. That is very important, and it solved that problem because you can make all the adjustments from the neck, the shoulder, and the lower back. I would advise anyone that sits in chairs in office or whatever you're doing for long periods of time, look into the Hbada. This chair here is very premium, ultra premium, and it gets the job done. So again, I'm gonna leave all product links down in the description below. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace. Oh, Lord, ooh, beautiful chair. Love it.